Caller. All right, now let's move on to this part here. All right, this big guy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna reach over here towards the potato, right? And I'm gonna peel back some of this dirt. And after doing so, I'm just trying to clear enough space, right? So just get a little bit closer to the potato. And I'm gonna just break these things off the potato without removing the potato from the ground. I want the potato to stay in the ground, hoping that it'll grow more sweet potato slips. But if it don't, we're still okay because we have enough. Got a lot of sweet potato slips. All right, so grab a couple of these things out of here, or a few of them out of here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yep. So you're peeling the back some, right? Exposing the roots. Trying to be careful on damage the roots though. This is how you actually transfer sweet potato slips from the ground. I broke one, but it's okay. It's okay. That was a little small one. So just gonna grab one rather, out of the bunch. And get them out of here. You can tangle it up. Alright. So, just gonna pull it out from the potato. Press down slightly so I don't snatch the potato out the ground. Just pull it out, just like that. So we have roots right here that's forming at the top. Not so much at the bottom, but it's cool. This is gonna work for us. We're gonna put it in this bucket. In this bucket of water right here. So to stay hydrated. Put it in the bucket, that's all we're gonna do. These things are getting pretty tall, so yeah, that came out the potato there. I'm gonna cut that bottom inch off anyway. Or bottom half inch. That is 4. We need what? 7 and 6, so we need 13. It's not as tall here. Pecan. This is 4 potatoes in here and all, and I'm just removing the slips from one of them. That's a small one. That's 6, I think. 7. 8. It's a small one, but it'll work. 9. 10. Now these are orange sweet potatoes. These are orange sweet potatoes. 10. 11. 12, that's a good one. Alright, let me get over here. That's 12. Need 13. So I'm gonna try to get this big one right here. Last one. Alright. Ah, look at that. All them boys came off, didn't they? That's cool. That's cool. Alright, we're gonna leave that one there. That's it, y'all. Don't look so pretty anymore, but it don't look so pretty. But we wasn't growing it for looks, we're growing it for food. I'm gonna come back and hydrate this after I'm done. Just make sure she start growing some more slips. Oh, the potato's still good. She should start growing some more. Let's see, there's one potato. That may have been, I don't know. I don't know if we pulled that off 1 or 2 potatoes. I don't know, I couldn't tell. But, y'all see that? Look at all them slips. All those slips. Yeah, we don't talk right here in the South. In the South, we say them. All them slips. All them slips, y'all. That's the Southern slang. Okay. So let's sit this camera down. I'm gonna grab my utensils over there. I mean my scissors, but you wanna call them utensils, equipment, whatever. Let me get this camera angled. Got a lot of work to do. All right. So we're gonna do 2 rows at one time. And we're gonna actually do one here. We're gonna go here, 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 like a zigzag. 10 inches here.